Magic Mushrooms by Anthony and Hayden. Street names. The street names of magic mushrooms are shrooms, caps, liberty caps, mushies, blue meanies, and gold tops. Common types in Australia include gold tops, blue meanies, and liberty caps.
Classification of magic mushrooms. Magic mushrooms is a type of hallucinogenic illicit drug. This is because they can distort the five senses and distort perception of reality.
And because they are a type of illicit drug. Description of magic mushrooms. Magic mushrooms are an illicit drug that contains psilocybin, a chemical compound that disrupts the serotonin system of the brain.
They look like dried mushrooms, similar to normal mushrooms.
Magic mushrooms can cause cognition problems, memory processing problems, sleep shortening, mood swings, and many more that will be mentioned in the effects.
Magic mushrooms are indigenous to the following: Mexico, South America, and the United States. After consumed, psilocybin is metabolized by the human body and then changes into psilocybin through a chemical reaction.
They may be found as dried or fresh mushrooms. Magic mushrooms could also be found in capsules.
Fun fact: the Aztecs actually knew about magic mushrooms and they used them in festivals. They even had a mushroom god called Suchi.
How are magic mushrooms administered?
Magic mushrooms are usually consumed orally through the mouth.
Magic mushrooms can sometimes be mixed with other drugs such as cannabis and tobacco.
They can even be brewed in tea.
Doses of magic mushrooms usually range from 4 to 10 milligrams.
Short-term and long-term effects of magic mushrooms. Short-term effects. Short-term effects vary and begin 30 minutes to 2 hours after taking magic mushrooms. They cause visual hallucinations and distort color, sound, and objects. Distorted sense of time and place. You can speed up and slow down time and movement. Poor coordination. Increased body temperature, sweating, or chills. Cognition problems that make you feel more creative or enlightened. Lastly, they give you feelings of sickness, tiredness, and disorientation.
Long-term effects. The most frequent long-term effect is flashbacks, consistent reoccurring of something that had happened while a person was taking the drug. Flashbacks may be short but can last for days, weeks, or even years. Another long-term effect is anxiety. It's an effect associated with yourself when you are paranoid and anxious of things that aren't happening. Last but not least, addiction can occur.
Relevant statistics about magic mushrooms in Australia. In Australia, there is 20 species of magic mushrooms.
They are grown in forests located in Victoria and New South Wales, as well as parts of Queensland. The story of today is about a boy called James who suffered chronic depression. Here is his story.